everybody, welcome to Phonomoms. Today I will teach you a short about vowels. All you know about vowels, A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowels, and these vowels have 2 sounds. All the consonants are 1, but these vowels have 2 sounds. There are 2 types of sounds for vowels. One is long and other is short. So I'll tell you about long and short vowel. A, long and short. Long vowel sounds like you are saying the letter itself. That is, A says A, E says E, I says I, O says O, and U says U. Okay, I repeat. Long vowel sounds like you are saying the letter itself. A says A, E says E, I says I, O says O, and U says U. And the other hand, short vowel. Short vowel sounds occur when the letter is not pronounced the way it sounds. Okay, that is, A says A, E says I says E, O says A, and U says A. A says A, E says I says E, O says A, and U says A. One more thing, long vowel sounds are created by placing 2 vowels together. It's not necessary. There are more words which many words are there in which the two vowels are not together, but they also sound as long. But basically, for kids from starting, you can teach them long vowel sounds are created by placing 2 vowels together, and short vowel sounds happen when a vowel is placed next to a consonant. So for example, A, if you will see A, rain. This A and I both are together. When 2 vowels go talking, when 2 vowels go walking, the first one says its name and second is silent. Okay, so A, I says A, A, rain. Then there is double E, B, E, B, B, E, B. I says I, yeah, ice, ice, ice. O says O, G, O, T, goat, G, O, T, goat. U says U, U says U, rescue, 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 Q, rescue. On the other hand, short, you know the sound of short. A says A, ant, E says egg, I says E, ink, O says A, orange, and U says a, umbrella. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and share and like it. Thank you so much.